Mom, did you get a call? Did Rajiv say anything? I knew it. I knew no one will find Siddharth. Please don't mind, Mom. All of you have destroyed my son's life. If Siddharth had only listened to me, he wouldn't have suffered so much.
Why are you speaking like this?
Can't you see your father's condition, Somu? He is so restless since then. Does anyone like so much trouble at his age?
In that case, my dad should have allowed me to take certain decisions. My son made a mistake, so will he have to suffer the burden of that decision for the rest of his life? Whenever I spoke about the divorce, each time you and Dad got angry. Oh, come on. Can a boy like Siddharth ever accept a girl like Mithai? Just think it over. Then what is the use of staying in this fake marriage?
Samresh, please, let us not discuss all this now. Just look at Dad's condition. Let Rajiv and the others come back. Let's see what news he brings.
Grandpa! Grandpa, Sid is coming. Our Mithai could bring Sid back. Lord has helped us.
Where is he? Where is Siddharth?
He's coming, grandfather. He's coming with brother Rajiv.
Where is he? Sid.
Grandpa? Grandpa? Grandpa, are you crying for me? I'm sorry, Grandpa. Trust me, I did not want to upset you, but...
But what? What did you think, son? After you leave the house and go away, will your grandpa dance out of happiness? Is that what you thought? You will realize when this grandpa passes away one day how hard I worked to keep this family together. Anyway, forget about it. Finally, you got the good sense. Hey. Ratul, Rajiv, thank you so much. There is no comparison for what you did today. I owe you a very good treat.
No, Grandpa. We did nothing. Mithai is the one who did everything. In fact, she's the one who guessed Siddharth's possible whereabouts. I mean, she actually guessed, and it was correct. She gathered the courage and requested Siddharth to come back home.
Is it not obvious? Today there was a dispute in Modak family because of her. It was her duty to rectify that mistake. Our family has done so much for her. This is the least she could do. Anyway, it's quite late. Opa, Lata, start serving dinner, please. I'm in my room, call me. Oh, let me tell you all. One thing today, we got the solution, but it doesn't mean that the problem is over. Many such incidents will continue to happen in Modak family.
Then let's start serving food. Appa, let's go. Ratul, please have your dinner with us today, okay?
Oh, wow, Aunt Sulata. You have the eyes of a hawk, huh? There are so many people present here, but you could only see Ratul.
No, it's not like that. Oh, come on. Does one have to invite one's own family to dinner?
Yes, family member.
Let's go.
Mithai? What happened? Why are you going away like this?
Huh? Grandfather, we have to serve food. That's why.
Ratul, Rajiv,
Yes.
let's go.
Siddharth? So you came back. I tried so hard, but you refused to listen to me. Now what happened?
Oh, come on, Shom. Now, please don't annoy him. We've struggled very hard to bring Siddharth back home. Do you understand?
Shom, none of you could understand me, isn't it? Why I left the house and why did I come back? I will never be able to explain this to you all.
It's enough. Siddharth, we would rather not understand, and you don't have to explain anything to us. You go to your room and freshen up. I mean, I hope you will eat the soup, or shall I send the food to your room?
No, Cookie. Listen.
Yes?
Send food to his room. Don't irritate him anymore. Go. Listen. Whether you treat us as your own or not, but all of us treat you as our own. You are like a child to us. You are our life, Siddharth. Don't ever forget this. Go.
Dad, come. Rajiv, come.
I have done you a favor or two. Will you not do one for me? Will that be a problem? Why should you hurt grandfather and grandmother because of me? I'll go back. I'll go back to Jonai. Give me courage, O Lord, so that I can explain to grandfather properly.
By the way, what do you want? Why are you standing here again? Do you want to spoil your health before the festival?
I'm going, Sushma. I'm going. Listen. Have you seen Mithai's face? Her smile is not the same.
You know what? Mithai has suffered a lot recently. Anyway, come to the room. It's time for your medicine. Look at this. Mithai is here with your medicine. Go and give the medicine to Grandpa and send him to the room quickly. Go.
Okay. Grandfather? Did you hear what grandmother said? Hold it and have your medicine. Grandfather, may I say something? Actually, my mother is in Jonai, and my mother is not well. I am missing my mother, grandfather. Can I go and meet her? I'll go back to Chennai. Trust me, please. You don't have to say anything to anyone. It is my responsibility.
I didn't understand why did Parvati left. She could have got better treatment here. Even Siddharth said so.
No, grandfather. Mother won't listen to anyone. There is no need to force her. Mother feels ashamed to stay here. Grandfather, can I go tomorrow?
What has happened? You are very hurt by Siddharth's behavior, right? Is that why you want to leave?
No, grandfather, not at all. Your bad-tempered grandson shouts at everyone. He keeps saying the word nonsense. Who gets hurt by all this? And Mithai doesn't take such minor things to heart at all. Do you understand? Mithai always thinks how to keep everyone happy.
Siddharth, since you have come here, then come closer. You have to take a decision.
What decision do I have to take, Grandpa?
Mithai wants to meet her mother. She can't go tomorrow. She can only go after Color Festival. My question is, will you be able to drop Mithai?
No. Mithai can go alone. No one needs to drop me.
Mithai, I treat you as my daughter-in-law. I know Samresh wants to break your marriage. But I believe my grandson will never let it happen. This is my belief. And no one can break my belief. Tell me, Siddharth, will you be able to drop Mithai or not?
I'll go if it's required, Grandpa.
I don't understand anything. What is the need to drop me? He could have just refused.
Did you understand?
What?
Listen, Color Festival is an important festival for the Modak family. And my angry grandson calls it disgusting, but he accompanies us for the festival. We send special sweets to each shop. Our main specialities are sweets and another special sweets. How can you go now? After Color Festival, then your grandpa's angry grandson will drop you home.
I don't understand. Why does she want to act great by leaving the house? It's irritating.
Siddharth? Is Mithai really going to meet her mother? Or is there any other matter between you both?
Grandpa, you don't want to understand me, you know. She doesn't stop once she starts talking. I can never have a conversation with her. And why will I even talk to her, Grandpa? Although I called her, why am I not able to talk to her? Why do I feel that I had become too rude?
Mithai,
Yes.
why is my brother standing here? Did he say something to you again?
Hey, Shri,
Hmm.
does he wants to apologize to Mithai?
Sorry. And Siddharth, what is wrong with you, Sandy?
No, brother Sandy. Why will he apologize to me? I apologize to him. Siddharth came back home yesterday after listening to me. That is enough for me.
Sandy, if you want to say something about me, then speak aloud, okay? I get irritated if someone whispers.
Okay. We were saying that, do you want to apologize to Mithai for what you did?
What have I done? Shri, you are exaggerating this matter. You are picking faults with your elders for everything.
Sister Shri. Listen. Sister Shri, please come with me to the kitchen. We have to prepare tea for everyone. Some people are very rude, just like Bitterguard. You go to the kitchen, I'll keep this and join you.
Sandy! Look, I am back. Hey, where is Mithai? Mithai!
Mithai!
Sister Neepa!
Mithai!
Sister Neepa, you are back! The house felt so empty without you, Sister Neepa.
Yes, we were really missing Nipa's silly and stupid comments all the time.
Sandy!
What?
I have just come
Hey,
home.
why are you
Mithai,
hitting
please
me?
stop
Come
it.
on. Again you
just
started
hide.
it.
Come here.
Hey,
Come
stop,
here.
stop.
I won't leave you today.
Hey, what is the matter? What's going on? What happened?
He started teasing me as soon as I entered.
Okay, wait. Hey, you, what's happening? You're teasing your sister. I'll give you a tight slap. Where is your mother? Sulata, where are you? I have to discuss something.
Welcome back, Nipa.
Hey, Mithai.
Yes?
Listen. Did you see? Brother Siddharth welcomed me. Mithai, you know what? My brother Siddharth is gradually changing. And this has happened only because of you.
The day Lord transforms Siddharth, that day the earth will change. Anyway, listen. Are you still angry at Sister Shri?
Yes.
Wait. Hey, Sister Shri, come here. We have an important task.
Mithai,
Yes.
do something to patch them up.
Yes, I'll do that. Reconcile.
Yes.
And here I push
Yes.
Oh, what's happening here? I see this is a grand reunion. Hey, Sandy, how did this happen?
Who else could it be? It was Mithai's brilliant idea to bring them up.
Nipa,
Hmm.
it feels as if I'm looking at my daughter after ages, isn't it?
Nipa,
Yeah.
there you are. Ever since he heard that you are back, your would-be husband didn't want to stay at home. He was feeling restless and so I brought him along. So Mithai,
Yes.
I have ordered for some snacks.
Yes.
So please go and prepare some tea.
Hey. You started ordering her the minute you
No,
entered.
sister, he's not ordering me. I was anyway preparing tea. I'll prepare it now.
Yes, did you see that? Mithai is the perfect sister-in-law. By the way, Mithai, please make some tea for Ratul also. The poor fellow is not being able to tell you. Actually, his job as the husband is not permanent yet. But
Will you please keep
Should I
quiet,
be
brother
quiet?
Rajiv?
But
No,
why?
please keep quiet. How are you, Nipa? All good?
Yes, I was good. But reality, I really missed Mithai and Shri. What are you saying? Did you only miss Mithai and Shri? Didn't you miss Ratul at all?
Please stop. Nanda, please.
What are you talking about? Oh, I don't like all this. Stop it. Stop it.
She's feeling shy.
Brother Ratul, Nipa is blushing a lot. Listen, will you apply colors on Nipa's face on festival? Listen, please inform her in advance because you can't take a good selfie with colors on your face.
What is she saying?
Mithai, you too.
Friends, come here, all of you.
Yes.
I need your suggestions. Ammu uncle, please be seated. Please sit
Yes,
down.
yes, of course.
Listen, the festival is after a few days and Mithai has contributed to our team this time. So we will definitely have dance along with the music. All right.
Yes.
Yeah.
And during this year's festival, the Modak family will have a lot of fun. Mithai, are you in?
Yes, I am in. Listen, there will be lots of dance and
What do you mean? At least complete the sentence.
Come on, speak up.
I mean, it will be exactly as you want it to be.
Hey, Mithai, you are scared of Siddharth like people are scared of death, isn't it? Just look at her. But Siddharth, let me tell you something. You will not rebuke Mithai during the color festival. I'm warning you. Oh, that reminds me. Mithai, you have to get ready quickly. You have to go to the base kitchen. We have multiple order for sweets. And there is also an order for your special sweets in Bhawanipur.
Wow, yes, I'll go. Grandfather told me to prepare Indian sweet for Indian color festival. First, let me serve tea to everyone, then I'll get ready and go.
Perfect.